how to buy PANICAN token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 10 hours ago, and as you can see here, it increased by 700% in the last 24 hours, and this token trending number 3 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address, and after that open your phone to wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and now click on I understand. After that, you can type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. Now after that, select the provider by click on pricing. Now click on provider and select the Jupiter, click on apply, and now go back, and as you can see here, you can click on swap to be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy PANICAN token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.